Solopreneur, self-employed, and managing your business solo and wondering which QuickBooks plan is right for you in 2025, let's simplify it. Whether you need just a money account or full bookkeeping, I'll show you what suits your business best. QuickBook has launched new tool for solopreneurs and perfect for freelancers, self-employed, and anyone who's managing a business. So let's explore features, pricing, and which plan gives the best value. So I'll just scroll down right here, find a plan that's right for you. Here, the Manage Money, QuickBooks Solopreneur, QuickBooks Money, and QuickBooks Simple Start. So here you're getting like 90% off for 3 months, and the zero, I mean, which the free one is just pay per transaction, but you won't get bookkeeping in it. Now the thing is, this one seems great because not only money management, you also get full bookkeeping. I'll show you what exactly it will have. So it will have tax help, deduction, reports, and growth tracking with this. And you can create invoices, send instantly payable invoices, same day deposit, get instant access to eligible payments no matter what time of day you have got paid, cash flow history, estimates, in-person payments. All right, so you just need a digital business account, invoice clients, and earn APY. So for me, you can go with the free one as well if you just want the money management without bookkeeping. And if you're a solopreneur or a self-employed, this one is the best one, and you can go with that. All right. So you can let me know in the comment section whether you're already using it. How's your experience? I'll be glad if you do so. All right. So this QuickBooks Solopreneur is absolutely amazing. You can go with it. And currently there is a 90% off. You can go with that. Take care. Have a wonderful day.